day is finally here. The RAM TRX 702 horsepower, the Hellcat platform we've grown to love. This is the king of trucks right now.
Right, I mean king.
So this is the first TRX that we are seeing here. It's something that we're about to throw into production and R&D. We're doing some baseline testing and we wanted to get some reactions of some awesome people. So Jason, Adam, and Charlie, thanks for hanging out for the ride.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put it in sport mode. Nice, timers.
So it has a built-in 60 foot, 330 foot, 8th mile ET, 8th mile speed, 1,000 foot, quarter mile ET in speed. And it also records your best, so you can always go back and reference. So
nice.
It also does 0 to 60, 0 to 100, and then braking distance.
Let's test it out, make sure it's good to go. You guys ready? Buckled in?
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready to go.
All right, here we go. Dude, that is crazy. We're in a huge truck.
Huge truck on 35s.
Oh my god.
The thing I love so much about these trucks, they're so nice to be in on the inside. There's so much room. There's all sorts of creature comforts. You get the big screen, you know, there's carbon fiber suede everywhere, panoramic
panoroof, sunroof.
And you get a 6.2 liter motor with a blower on it that we're going to be putting 1,000 horsepower to.
Yeah.
It's such a great platform to start from, but you know, like everything we do here, it just needs more power.
More power, baby.
More power, baby.
More power, baby. One thing that I can say about Dodge and FCA right now is I love what they're doing. Put the Hellcat in anything possible, build it and ship it.
And if it doesn't make enough power, just put a bigger blower on it.
Yeah.
Right, and that's what we're here for.
Wow, and it actually sounds amazing and pulls hard. Oh my gosh, that was impressive.
I mean, the gearing in this thing is just perfect.
I don't know if you can hear it on the cameras, but you know Dodge really builds these for the automotive enthusiasts. When you're letting off the gas, you're still getting that gargle and pop, that real muscle sound. And
The classic Hellcat blower whine.
Yeah.
Let's hit the bump.
Wow, that summed it up really well.
Yeah.
Like my honest, genuine reaction. I don't have to like fluff it up or anything. Like this is actually insane.
Yeah.
And this is a stock truck. This is from the factory.
get this all-wheel drive where the Chargers have the rear-wheel drive. You're just roasting your tires. This thing just hooks and books right out the hole.
Right, and you can tow and take all your friends with you. I mean, this is wild. You don't have to worry about shifting. You don't have to worry about anything. Just peg.
So, yeah, we just did 112.
Yeah. We're still in the 12s on quarter mile with 4 of us in here.
Oh my gosh.
You know, the best time that we've gotten in this truck so far, quarter mile, 12.3 to 105. I mean, that's like C5 Z06 territory.
Right.
I mean, that is crazy. You know, one thing probably everybody's going to be asking about is the fuel economy. And that's one thing that we found in our research and development process is that, you know, our modifications really don't affect fuel economy. Modifications that we do and the calibrations that we do, you know, they really only affect, you know, the performance of wide open throttle. Everything still drives like stock, performs like stock, you know, unless you're always on it like we are. So.
Right. we measure in miles per gallon.
Right, miles per gallon.
It just sounds so good.
It rides so good with 35s on it too.
Yeah,
I'm
really
really
rides
impressed.
nice. I'm excited to see it with 37s and 20-inch wheels with our off-road package. Just to bounce off what you said, we focus on making reliable, daily drivable performance vehicles. They all come with a warranty from us. We back up exactly everything that we do. And we want you to have fun and enjoy your vehicle. We want it to be driven and enjoyed. So that's kind of the main thing that differentiates us is we're going to back up everything that we do.
Right. You know, it's about the Hennessey experience.
Exactly.
You know, that's what we're after.
I've literally never felt a more brutal vehicle launching than a Trackhawk, but I feel like this truck is going to have that same wow factor of the launch, especially after the 1,000 horsepower. It's just such a versatile vehicle.
Sell my house, buy a TRX.
Yeah. Hey, you can live in your car, but you can't race your house.
Can I go back to my place? It's in the parking lot.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button, and if you have a TRX on the way, give us a call. Warranty guaranteed, and 1,000 horsepower to come. Talk to you guys later.
It's even got a AC outlet in the back.
I think it's heated and cooled seats back there.
Yeah, we have our air conditioned seats on right now.
Micro USB.
Y'all have ACs too?
Yeah.
I've never seen a back seat with AC, only heat.
Yeah.
You can literally plug in your microwave oven here.